Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is a beauty. We have not verified this, but it may be an unused condition. It is a Lee 150-gallon double motion agitated scraper type kettle. We're operating it right now. As you can see, it has a super high polish finish on the agitator. I don't want to call it electroplated, but it almost looks like that. Has an internal temperature sensor. It also, please note, it has a full jacket. We're going to take you around the back and show you how that's set up. Has the bottom hemispherical portion of the vessel is jacketed. Of course, you notice the tilt-out agitator. Parker cylinder operating that with all the controls. The drives are 3 and 5 horsepower, as you can see up top. 2 hinged covers on each side. Its central bottom outlet will accept the Lee fluids flow flush seating ball valve. So you have some nice all stainless steel Destaco lockdown clamps, manually operated. Some very nice fixtures here to hold your lids in the up position. Of course, you'll notice it also has a mount for a small secondary agitator you can use with the agitator lifted out, or when the agitator is in position not to interrupt their mixer. You'll see here on the side, the yellow line is for the temperature sensor down there. And you'll see they have the lower jacket connected to the upper jacket, and then a discharge out from there. The jacket is rated for 90 psi. Also on the drives, rather uniquely, we're running on 2 different voltages right now. They are dual voltage, 220 and 440. These drives are by Nord with the Nord gear reducers. They're running at 13 and 14 RPM respectively. But on the end here, you'll see they have their inverter duty rated, and it has a fan on each drive for extra cooling. It's of course National Board rated jacket, 90 at 332 Fahrenheit. Once again, it's the 159 or D9 MT model. The vessel's built originally in 2017. Tilt-out agitator with the controls nicely packaged behind the tilting bearing mounting. Give you a quick look in there. Also, a nice feature Lee has, you'll see this right here with the little hook section on it. As you ride down, it actually clips on to the front of the cylinder right there to hold in place as an extra safety. So should air, water, or whatever you're using to tilt that cylinder fail, you have it held in place mechanically. We have lots of kettles in our stock, so I do hope you won't wait on this one. It's absolutely beautiful and ready to go into service. We hope you'll visit our website if you're not already there at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.